Friends, a very good evening. This is Mahbub here, and I welcome you to this channel known as Reach and Learn the Solution. Days before, I started giving lessons on subject-verb agreement, but due to some reasons, I couldn't continue making videos on that very topic. Today, I have made a plan to do that, and here I am with the topic subject-verb agreement. And see, it is our part 4, right? We are in subject-verb agreement today, and it is part 4. It means I have already made 3 videos in which I discussed 4 different rules. And if you haven't watched the videos yet, please go to the playlist and just you can watch them and enjoy learning subject-verb agreement. Friends, सबसे पहले before going to learn subject-verb agreement, let's solve a couple of questions. You need to know the importance of subject-verb agreement first. Unless you know the importance, you cannot pay attention in learning. So let's know the importance first. See one example I have written. There is a question, and it is what? 3 Idiots dash a very successful film. I think you all have watched this movie many times. I watched many times, a number of times I have watched this movie, and it is truly a great one. I think one of the best movies I have ever watched in my life, right? So look at these 3 Idiots dash a very successful film. This time, I mean they who are appearing in exam in class 10th examination under CBSE board, this one is very important for them, and this topic subject-verb agreement is important for every learner. I mean who is ready, who wants to learn English, right? Even in competitive examination you will get couple of questions from this topic, very topic, right? Look at this, the first one. तो इसको पहले let's try to solve this so that you can at least come to know the importance of subject-verb agreement, right? उससे पहले एक बात बताएं हम, let me remind you one thing. You people do watch it, okay, and at the same time do subscribe this channel, right? And do subscribe this channel and do share with your friends too, so that they can get the benefit you are getting, okay? So let's solve it. 3 Idiots dashed a very successful film. See, 4 options are given here. You need to pick one. I mean one among these 4 is correct option. You need to pick the correct one, right? Now friends, see what we know. Generally we know that if the subject is plural in number, right? If the subject is plural in number, and one thing that we know, I think we had been taught in the very beginning, that with the subject, if we add either s or es, it becomes plural. But there are some conditions. Now here see 3 idiots, right? Idiots, see s is added here. So in look, I think it looks like plural, but it is not exactly a plural subject, right? 3 idiots is what? A title. 3 idiots is what? A title. No. So title has, so it is not a plural subject at all. So when the subject is not plural, you cannot use a plural verb over there, right? So look at the verb. Which one is to use here? The verbs are is, am, are, and were. These are plural. This cannot be used. Just cut them down. And here it is am. Though it is singular, though it is a singular verb, but it is used with first person only. No. But here the subject is not first person, so it cannot be. The rest one is what? Is. Yes, this one is the correct, so it will be is. अब देखो ये हम बनाए कितना आसानी से, क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे पता है, I know the use of subject verb agreement. आप भी बना सकते हैं, लेकिन उसके लिए आपको सीखना पड़ेगा. तो चलो इस वीडियो के थ्रू हम सीखेंगे subject verb agreement part 4. So friends, here I have written couple of rules. मैंने इसीलिए यहाँ पर लिखा है. Actually, it takes too much time to write them down. Okay, so in order to save your time as well as mine, I just have written the rules over here, but not the example, right? I will write the examples down here while making you understand. So let's see the first one of this part. I mean part 4 का first one क्या है? टाइटल्स एंड नेम्स ऑफ प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑल्सो टेक अ सिंगुलर वर्ब। ठीक है, अभी जो थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने जो एग्जाम्पल दिया था, क्वेश्चन 3 इडियट्स इज अ वेरी सक्सेसफुल फिल्म, राइट, वो क्या था, टाइटल था, वो एक मूवी का टाइटल था, राइट। सिमिलरली हियर सी टाइटल्स एंड नेम्स ऑफ प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑल्सो टेक अ सिंगुलर वर्ब। अगर टाइटल हो या कोई नाम हो, अगर वो प्लूरल में दिख रहा है कि इट लुक्स लाइक प्लूरल, राइट, इट टेक्स अ सिंगुलर वर्ब, राइट। देखते हैं एग्जाम्पल, देखो नंबर 1 एग्जाम्पल इज टाइटल one poem I remember, it is the 7 ages, right, 7 ages. Look at this, the seven ages, the 7 ages. Now look at this, it looks like plural, no, 7 ages, it looks like plural as es is there, right, but see my friend, it is a title of a poem and this poem is composed by William Shakespeare. You know William Shakespeare, yeah, William Shakespeare ने इसको लिखा है, right। तो जब ये टाइटल है कविता का, तो इसके बाद जो वर्ब होगा क्या होनी चाहिए, it must be singular in number or singular in form. The 7 ages is composed by William, okay, Shakespeare, Shakespeare, P-E-A-R-E, Shakespeare, right, William Shakespeare it is, fine. Number 2, ये तो समझ में आ गया होगा आपको, ठीक है, very easy it is। अगर टाइटल हो, though it looks like plural, but if it is a title, just do use a singular verb, right। नेक्स्ट वन एक और लेते हैं, जैसे एक हो गया फिजिक्स, P-H-Y-S-I-C-S, physics. Now see, this is what? A name of a subject, isn't it? Name of a subject it is, right? It looks like plural, no, see, S is there. It looks like plural, but my friend, it is a name of a subject. अगर नाम हो प्लूरल में दिख रहा है, लेकिन ये क्या होगा, सिंगुलर वर्ब लेते हैं, right? So physics is a very interesting what subject, interesting subject, right? Friends, try to understand this very attentively, right, because in exam it is obvious to get questions from this topic and I want you to solve the topics you get in examination, solve the questions you may get in examination, right? And before going to the next one, let me remind you one thing, don't forget to subscribe this channel and share with your friends, and also do keep commenting, right? Do keep commenting, whether it is good or bad, just you do comment, right? We will be pleased, we will be pleased to reply your comments, and it will be a great pleasure for us. Now friend, coming to the next one, see, a phrase of measurement, though plural in form, take a singular verb, ठीक है। phrase of measurement, phrase means क्या कहते हैं, सबसे पहले phrase means a group of words। तो जब हम एक group of words को measurement के लिए यूज करते हैं, ठीक है, जैसे 2 किलोमीटर्स, 2 miles, right, 5 kilograms ना, ये जो है ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स टुगेदर विद द फॉर्म अ फ्रेज। तो ये फ्रेज देखने में क्या प्लूरल लगता है, बट ये ग्रुप ऑफ मेजरमेंट है, इससे हम मेजरमेंट करते हैं, ठीक है। तो जब मेजरमेंट के लिए हम कुछ फ्रेज को यूज करें, उस फ्रेज के साथ हमेशा सिंगुलर वर्ब यूज होती है। चलो देख लेते हैं सेंटेंस को। लुक एट दिस, नंबर 1, इट इज व्हाट कि 10 किलोमीटर्स किमी, right, see 10 kilometers, not 10 kilometers, right, more than one, so it looks like plural, but it is a phrase of measurement. 10 kilometers क्या हो जाएगा, is a long distance किस लिए, to walk upon, ठीक है, टू वॉक अपन। 10 किलोमीटर्स जो है ये बहुत एक लंबा डिस्टेंस होता है, नो, सो हियर 10 kilometers, सी इट इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स, राइट। इन शॉर्ट आई हैव रिटन हियर 10 kilometers, it is a group of words, but it is used here to measurement the distance, right? Next one more of this type is what? I just have told, it is what? Number 2, it is 5 kilo ki 5 kilo potatoes, potatoes, potatoes cost, costs. See friends, here cost as is there, it means it is singular verb. So 5 kilo potatoes cost 20 rupees. Okay, 20 rupees. So here see friends, 5 kilo, it is a group of measurement, a group of words, and it is a phrase. It is used here to measure, okay, the amount, the quantity of potatoes, and this is why a singular verb is used, and it is what? Costs, right? I hope you are getting. Please do comment, don't forget to do this, right? Next one, see, we use a singular verb after a subject with every, each, any, anyone, someone, anything and nothing. Friends, अगर कोई सब्जेक्ट से पहले, अगर कोई नाउन से पहले हम इसमें से किसी भी वर्ड्स को देखते हैं, अगर कोई सेंटेंस एवरी से शुरू हो, नहीं तो ईच से, नहीं तो एनी, एनी वन, समवन, एनीथिंग और नथिंग से शुरू होती है, ठीक है, वेदर वी गेट अ नाउन ओवर देयर और नॉट, if a sentence begins with this, we always use singular verb over there. Let's take examples very quickly. Look at this. First one is every. Number 1, EVE. Every student is not brilliant. BRILLIANT. Every student is not brilliant. See, very good example it is. See here, it begins with every. This is why the verb is used and it is singular in form. Very easy, no? Next one, what is there? Each. Number 2, it is EACH. Each boy is brilliant. Each boy is brilliant. Yes. His boy is brilliant. See here, each, it begins with each. This is why the verb is used and it is singular in form, right? Next one, it is what? What is there? Any. See, any boy, okay, any boy, right? Picks, PICK, picks it up. कोई भी लड़का इसको उठा सकते हैं, right? Picks. See, the verb is in plural. The verb is in singular as S is there, right? Next one is number 4. It will be what? Anyone, right? Anyone writes a letter. Anyone writes a letter, right? Friends, do not look at the sentence what it is I am writing. You just need to look at the subject and the verb, whether they agree with each other or not. See, it begins with anyone, right, and this is why the verb writes is used as it is singular in form. Now the rest one are someone, anything and nothing. Friends, I want you to make sentences using someone, anything and nothing, as I have made a lot over here and there is no place also, okay. So I'm not gonna to erase this and write them down on the top. It is your task, right? Just imagine, just think that it is your homework. So do complete, do make sentences using someone, anything and nothing. Hope you have understood what I meant, and that's all for today. And you can also comment, you can also share your views on which topic specially you want me to make videos. The moment you send, the moment you tell, okay, I will start preparing to make videos on that very particular topic. Till then, keep watching Reach and Learn to learn something truly. And one more information, apart from English, we have been providing mathematics of class 10 specially, as the examination is approaching, right? If you are watching the videos of mathematics, it is very good. If you haven't watched yet, go to the playlist and watch them, and also to share with your friends. Thank you so much.